Hello everyone, today we are going to see how to create storybooks using Google Gemini. First thing what you have to do is visit https://gemini.google.com. Then on left side menu, you will find an option, Explore Gems. Click on it and you will find the option, Storybook. Click on it to open, Storybook, Experiment. You can enter a prompt for the story here. Gemini will take that prompt and then it will create a storyline. Once storyline is created, it will start creating a story with images. Here you can see the progress. It will take a few minutes to generate your storybook. Let's wait for some time, until the storybook is created. Look, here is your storybook with a story and images. You can navigate the storybook through the navigation, it is very interactive. Here it generated a 10-page story with relevant images. Click on right or left side to navigate the storybook. You can also listen to this story in using the listen button. It provides some options to choose the audio. You can also share the story with your friends and family using the share button. You can make the book full screen as well to view. Also, you can download the storybook as a PDF, the print button. Give it a try and see if it is useful for you. Unlock your creativity with this storybook experiment. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family and do subscribe if you find this video useful.